only dating like that because sometimes my sister is freelancer there in Walking Street, and I meet many foreign guys. I talk to them,
Mm-hmm.
and many sa- mostly Korean guys wants to take me in their place, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't like it. They will pay me like,
Why
but
you
I
don't
don't
like
like
it?
because I was scared.
Uh, Dick?
Yeah.
No, seriously, scared of what? Not okay.
I'm scared of how they treat me in the hotel because just the two of us like that
You think
we
they?
just meet
But you
that
know them for weeks, right? You've been trying to
yeah
take you home, but you don't.
yeah
You
but I
said
don't
no. Mm-hmm.
because I want to know them
First before
first
you.
before I go with them.
So what about the Filipino guy? How come it's different? You just
Uy!
open your legs.
Because Filipino guys is so yummy.
Yummy daw. Sana all yummy. So
Joke.
masarap.
Hindi naman sa
First
mga
blood,
friends
yummy.
yummy but very
Painful.
disaster. It's
Kaloka,
disaster for
no?
me
I'm glad that
also.
the foreigner guy are treating you nice, even
Yeah.
they don't need to sleep with you. They give you makeup.
But sometimes they are like that
They talk
talking
nasty,
nasty thing.
aggressive
Like
also.
if they saying nasty things, I was turned off like that. Like
Mm.
I don't want. Parang nawawalan ba ng gana.
When they said, "Can you give me blow?" You turn off too.
I don't know.
Have you experienced blow?
Yeah.
How old are you when you got your first blow? That night that you had your first
Yeah.
blood
In the chapel
in the
also.
chapel. Tayo naglulunok